So, hello sir, what's your name please?
My name is Arthur Manyengedzo.
Okay.
Yeah.
And you're already sculpting for a long time?
This is my 11th year.
Okay.
As a professional artist. Yeah. And I have exhibited locally and international. Like in 2008, I was in Canada and I had some exhibition there and also some 3 weeks workshops there.
Okay.
So from the proceeds I got there, I managed to bought a house when I came back here. So I am grateful with my work.
Okay.
Yeah.
And what's the name of this piece?
This piece is called Life Embraced, meaning it's a life being supported by supporting life.
Okay, and there's one person in it?
Yeah, like let's say in a family, someone, let's say a husband or a wife might have a problem that needs to be supported, so that the support that is put on by another person is what I was expressing here. Like you can see here, it's a human, and this is the supporting, like giving love to someone else.
Yes. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. It's very well done.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. When I made this piece, I was thinking of my little baby, a daughter.
Aha.
Yeah, the way she plays with her friends. Yeah.
Aha.
So,
okay.
That's why I got the action that is on this piece.
Yes.
Yeah. So that's why I call it a late posing.
Okay.
Though she is very young. Yeah. No questions.
Oh, you can say whatever you want. But the pieces are too far aside, so I can't do everything at once. But you will have your chance, of course. Hello, sir. Here we are again with some other pieces you made.
Yeah, I have here. This piece is called Aiming High. As you know, like when I carve this piece, thinking of myself, I'm always aiming high, wanting to produce nice sculptures that are different from, I can say, outstanding sculptures.
Yes, of course.
Yeah. And
aiming high, you said.
Yeah, aiming high. Yeah.
All right. And we move to the next one if we can.
I have also this one. It's morning stretch.
Morning stretch, you say.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I was thinking of like in Zimbabwe, we woke up morning, bracing for the day. It might be difficult or sometimes harsh days, like nowadays with the economical situations. Yeah, so it's bracing for the new day.
All right.
Yeah, and yeah, we have their sisters playing. Yeah, so they are sisters it's like a friendship. The love which sisters do have. That's what I was expressing on this one. Yeah. And
sisters, you said.
Yeah.
But if you want to make sisters, huh?
Yeah.
I can see, of course, the sisters.
Yeah.
But how do you come to make the sisters look like this? How do you come to that stage?
Yeah. Like.
Can you try to explain that?
Let's say, as an artist, you have to. There are some skills that you need to put on, so that you can. Like here, you can see the difference between the hair on this one and the hair on this one.
Yes.
They are just styles that are to make a piece look beautiful. Yeah.
And how do you decide to make this one look like this and this one look like that?
They are hairstyles.
Or it just happens?
Yeah.
It just happens?
Yeah.
No, it's good, of course. Yes.
Yeah.
But me, as an ignorant people, I will always wonder, how do you think of it? I know it's difficult or impossible to explain, of course.
Yeah, what I normally do is I just imagine what to do. Whenever I imagine, and I have to review through this. They are just styles, yeah. Yeah.
So, but these three were all made in Springstone.
Yeah.
Yes. That's the beautiful black shining stone, of course.
Yeah.
Yes.
It's also strong.
And very strong,
Yeah,
very hard.
yeah.
Yes, that's what
That-
people like, of course.
Yeah.
Because with us, they will be standing outside in the garden.
Yeah. It's
Yes.
also like it's weather resistant.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It
Okay.
resists even in cold weather.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Then we move on to your fourth piece.
Yeah. It's everlasting love.
Everlasting love.
Yeah.
That
like,
sounds perfect.
On this one, these lovebirds separated for a long time, so they've just met.
But you said lover birds or what?
Lovebirds.
Love birds.
Yeah,
I
they are
don't see any.
lovers.
Yes, I don't see any birds. Where are the birds? They flew away.
They're lovers, yeah. So they've just met. Yeah.
Yeah.
So they're greeting each other,
Uh-huh.
showing love to each other. Like you can see here,
Mm-hmm.
they're like shaking hands.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
And their love is everlasting
Mm-hmm.
because though they had separated for a long time,
Mm-hmm.
they are still loving each other.
Okay.
And so it's unbreakable love.
It's a beautiful story.
Yeah.
Eh? We keep on dreaming for that, huh?
Yeah.
And hope.
Yeah, that's what we are hopeful.
Yes, of
Yeah.
course. Okay, thank you very much. We hope to see you again.
Yeah, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.